how to combine or merge videos on your Samsung phone. So first I'm going to go back to the home screen by tapping on the home button. Then on the home screen, open up the gallery app. Next in here, you want to go into pictures or albums. At the top here, tap on the more button, then tap on create and choose movie. Now select the videos that you want to merge or combine. So I will select this one first, so that will be at the beginning of the video. Then select a second one. Now go down and tap on movie. So it will now load up the video content. Okay, so you can go through the slider here and double check, and then after that tap on done, and then tap on save movie, and just wait for that to finish. Okay, now it is nearly finished, and here's my movie 5 saved. So we go back to the gallery, and here you can see it combined the videos into 3 minutes now, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.